Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to our channel. This time there is a new switchboard art for you. Earlier also I shared a couple painting in red and black as shown on the screen. If you have not yet watched this, the link is available in the I icon and in the description box. Nowadays everyone is cleaning and decorating their homes for the coming festivities. You must be giving a new look to your rooms and may get attracted to stickers like these on various sites. But why buy stickers when you can just DIY? It is a very simple process. All you need is a pencil, black and red acrylic paints, and a painting brush. A waterproof art will be instantly ready. Just start with a simple pencil drawing and paint it. Voila! It will be done. This time I have made a cute teddy bear sleeping peacefully. It is really looking very cute and I love that acrylic paint dries up quickly. I love it and I know you love it too. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe now for more quick DIYs from AJ Crafts. Thank you so much for watching and keep crafting with AJ.